Hey everyone, welcome for joining this session. So let's start. I think we are good to go. So this session will help you in end to end, like what future is all about and what all things we should learn and how we should proceed. So we will cover each and everything end to end. Meanwhile, if you guys will have any doubt, any query, you can ping in Q&A box, and at last, at the end, I will take care your all kind of queries, whatever you guys will have. Okay. Now let's proceed. So this will be the webinar for all experienced QA resources. Your experience, maybe 5 year, maybe 20 year, right? That really does not matter. This is for only experienced resources, not any kind of freshers or 1-2 years of working experience. Okay, freshers, we don't uh, ask to enroll. Okay, so this session will take hardly 45 minutes. About myself, many of you may be aware, I'm Yogesh. I have more than 18 years of working experience and working as a senior QA architect. So we will be covering everything, like who can join these trainings, what all we will be covering, what should be the success pipeline, everything we will be discussing one by one. So first, who can join? So everyone, guys, all kind of QA resources are eligible to join. Because see, first try to understand what's going on in the market. This is a technology revolution, right? Like 10 around 15 years before, there was a technical revolution in QA specifically, right? From manual to automation, everything was going in automation. So if there was 100 manual QA resources, that task may be done later on by 10 uh, automation testers, right? So 10 manual resources replaced by one automation resource. Now there is again new technology revolution, that is something, automation to AI. Who is eligible? Everyone can learn this AI easily. Okay, so when manual tester upgraded their self to automation, salary increased by more than 2 times, right? Similarly here, whenever everyone will be upgrading from API tester to automation, ETL tester to AI, you know, maybe you are a lead, right? As a technical lead or architect or maybe anyone, right? If you will be upskilling to AI, so your package minimum to be doubled, minimum, right? So whenever any technology change comes, usually that first reduce the number of resource. When number of resource will be reduced, salary will be dramatically increased, right? This is what, right? So 10 automation testers task will be done now, approx 2-3 AI testers. This is what will be happening now. Okay, so like the manual QA resources, easily they can transform their career. Selenium automation testers, ETL testers, API testers, performance testers, QA leads, managers, data analysts, or test analysts, right? If you are in one of these profile, you can easily switch from your current profile to the market demanding profiles, right? So first you should be aware who we are, what we do, and since how long we are in the market. Many of you are connected with me from so many years with my LinkedIn profile, right? Many of you came through the references, but some of you are new. So like we are group of working professionals. Those are providing trainings at a weekend only. At weekdays, we don't have bandwidth. Okay, because we are working. Now we are providing trainings by ourselves. So we are taking the ownership. We don't have any dependency, like let's say we have an institute or company, so we hired any trainer, tomorrow he will be with us or not, who knows? Nobody knows, right? So we are expert in this technology and we are providing by ourselves only. Okay, we are providing these trainings from more than 12 years at a weekends. Okay, that's more than enough time. We are helping everyone with the market trend always. All trainers are highly experienced, architect levels. We don't have anyone junior like less than 15 years. No one. Okay, everyone is expert. Whatever training we provide, that is altogether real time project. We don't have theoretical document. We don't provide any theory. We have tools, we have projects, we have everything we provide end to end practically. Okay. uh, so in last 10 years, more than 10 years, like around 12 years, we gain the trust of the resources, right? Many of you have completed multiple courses in last few years, right? So we usually get 30 to 40% referrals in each and every batches. Why? Because they learn something, they gain something, they upskill something, they gain the confidence, they get good as high, they get good appraisals, they get satisfied by the content, right? This is what the trust we gained in last more than 10 years. We have completed more than 100 plus batches in last around 12 years. One batch usually takes 3 months, so you can think how many years we are providing. Latest batch is going on 194, 196, 197. A couple of our AI and the premium batch. Average salary hike around 140%. Okay, this is what, right? We get the reviews from the candidates. Initially, we were getting at a website, but now we have started from last 2-3 batches to get the review at the LinkedIn directly. So they are providing their review directly at a LinkedIn. So you guys can go through with their reviews and all. So everything is available at a LinkedIn directly. So this is what the trust and transparent things. Okay. So candidates usually love the practical approach, whatever we are providing to them. If you will refer, there will be our one group specifically, right? LinkedIn, you can search ETL automation group over there at LinkedIn. So you will find our group, right? Around 7,000 resources are there in our group, right? We are taking care of that. So you will see their reviews. Okay. If they are highly experienced resources, they are getting 100% high, more than that, right? So previous batch which we closed, right? There was around 24 candidates were there. Out of 24, out of I mean 100% satisfaction ratio is there. Many of them got placed in between as well, right? Like Avasti, she is from UK. She was referring only the videos. She got placed. Kajal, she was, working somewhere in Gurgaon, I think so, right? In any of the companies. She got more than 100% salary hike. I mean, during the live batches, in the last month, they get placed 100% or more than 100% hike. Everyone is working in a big MNC like the Cognizant, like the Sapient, like Fidelity, Capgemini, Oracle, right? And everyone is getting placed in these kind of companies, right? They are getting good salary hike and all. So you can go through with our LinkedIn group, refer their reviews and all. So you will get it like how we are providing. Okay. So candidate resources satisfaction ratio is 100%. Everyone is getting satisfied. Everyone is able to create the framework and all one by one individually. Okay. So there will be around 24, I think 24 or 25 candidates were there. So 24 or something candidates reviews are there. So what it means, all are satisfied, right? So satisfaction rate ratio from each batch is 100%. Placement ratio, I'll be giving you one framework like how the placement ratio is 95%. Means if you are going to join us, if you will be following all those things, 100% you will be getting placed somewhere. 101%. There is no doubt about it. Okay, maximum salary increase from our previous batch was 200+%. Average salary hike was 140%. and minimum salary increase was 70%. This is not a small, right? I'll tell you how this is possible, because we have that framework basically. So our main purpose is to upskill everyone in the market. So let me tell you guys one more thing. Like, my experience is 18 years. When my experience was 6-7 years, I started to provide the training individually at a weekends. Initially, we were providing the recordings and all at the YouTube, right? Then at a YouTube, we were gaining the subscribers and all. So before COVID, there was around 40,000 subscribers at our YouTube, because we were providing all the video access at the YouTube only. But from last some years, we have our own portal. We are providing the video access at our own portal only, right? So we don't have any open or public video at a YouTube. So we are not gaining more new subscribers over there. Okay. Now the thing is, my experience is 18 years. I'm getting enough package from the market, right? Similarly, like me, there are so many in IT. They are expert. We don't need to spend our time or at a weekend. We can enjoy our weekend as well, right? Weekdays we work in office. We can enjoy with the family and all, right? But no, my purpose is like after certain years of working experience, I may not be working in IT. Might be after 25 years of working experience, I must have something by my own. This is what we build it. First thing, right? Second thing is, someone who is expert, who should take care, who should take the responsibility. At least there are so many, more than 70% QA resources, they are not aware what to do, how to do, from where they have to do, how they can skill. We have seen so many things, so many institutes, so many things available in the market. They are just providing the theories only, no practical, nothing, right? They are asking enough money. So ultimately money can be earned later on, but they waste their time. I mean, that's totally useless. So we took the responsibility, like we can help to everyone, and we are just taking the money, the cost of the time, whatever we are going to spend. Okay, so that in that way, that will help in both the ways, like us and you as well. Okay. So guys, we are helping to secure the future of the resources. We help them to get the high pay opportunities. Okay. So here is a framework, how you can get it. Like the technology, we help you to upskill with the latest technology, with project, with tools, everything step by step. Okay. We will be giving you assignment after each and every session. Let's say we covered 3 topics today. You will be getting 3 assignments. So once you will complete, your all doubts will get clear. Then you will be working at a real-time project, end to end. We will be building a framework. I will be asking you all, build it by yourself. Like today in the morning, in our batch number 193, right? Today was the 6th session of building the framework. Everyone is going to build, right? So tomorrow we will have a review. How many candidates build in which way? What are all are the challenges? I mean, everyone has to build it. We spent already more than 10 hours on framework only already. This was the, I think, 22 session, right? So this is what, so you will have to build by yourself. We will be helping one by one. So first 5 sessions, I have given you input. Now at a 6th session, you have to build for yourself. Okay, so you will be gaining real-time thing. Then the CV preparation. Many candidates learn a lot thing, right? So how you will be getting selected in any company? First, before your selection, your CV will be selected. So your CV must reflect all the skills, whatever you have learned, right? In your skill set, in your project, in your role and responsibility. So everything, we will have one session where we will be helping you to update your CV with the latest technologies, whatever you will be learning. Now, this is the main thing, the last one, interview preparation. Many experienced candidates, many of them, technically they are good, but they are unable to explain, right? So we have specific sessions for these guys. interview preparation sessions. 22 interview preparation sessions will be there. Where first, let's say for an example, ETL automation. In the first session, I will explain this is the project, this is how we need to explain this project, this is what the role and responsibilities, this is how you will have to explain your framework. I mean, end to end. In 2 hours, I will explain each and everything, the complete script of your interview. This is how you will have to explain during your interview. Then we will have another sessions after that. I will be asking the questions in the same way. What is your project? What is the architecture of your project? How you build your framework? What was the flow of your framework? What was your responsibility? And to end these things. Initially, 7 to 8, these kind of questions are having more than 60% weightage. That will give the once you will give those answers in appropriate manner with a complete process, you will be definitely selected. Rest are the formalities, the small questions. Okay, so I mean, and this is the easy one. This is how we are going to have these interview preparation sessions. So let's say AWS cloud automation testing, Azure cloud testing, Databricks. So one by one, we will take first. We will explain the project. We will explain the architecture. We will explain role and responsibility. Everything one by one. Then you will have to explain. So what happens in the live sessions? Like we usually have 2 sessions in a week, Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday, right? So many candidates, more than 50% candidates, they knows, but they are hesitating whenever they are explaining. This is what, right? Whenever you will try to explain, keep explaining yourself, right? Keep giving the answers, your hesitation will remove. First thing, you will gain confidence. This is how you will have to give the answer. If you will be giving the wrong answer, wrong example, will make that correct, will help you to make that correction. Okay, so ultimately at the end, your hesitation will not be there. You will have each and everything, the project, the framework, the role and responsibilities, everything, all questions, answers ready without hesitation, with full confidence. After this, once you will follow this exercise, right, with the 22 interview preparation sessions, your first interview, if you are going in a first interview, that may crack, may not crack. Definitely after that, wherever you will be sitting, you will be definitely cracked. So if you will sit in 3 interviews, definitely you will be cracking 2, because you are fully confident. You already learned practically with project. You learned everything, like how to explain, how to give the answer, how to give each and everything, how you will have to deliver during the interview, right? So you will be easily cracking these things. So this is what the end-to-end framework for your growth. And this is the main reason. This is the main reason here. This satisfaction ratio, learner satisfaction ratio is 100%. Placement ratio is 95%. This can be 100% as well. If you will be joining all the sessions, completing all the assignments, and joining all the interview preparation sessions, you will be giving all the answers. First, we will be giving all the answers. Then at a second level, you have to give. If you will follow this approach, then definitely 100% placement ratio will be there. What a company need? Company need a good resource, right? How they find a good resource? They ask technical things in interview, right? Whatever you will have in your CV, they will be asking the same. Whatever you have put it in your CV, we already learned that. We already practiced on that. We already practiced on the related to the interview as well. So you can easily crack, right? Many candidates. Now, how 200%, 70%, and 140% salary hike? 70% QA resources are getting a salary scale, whatever was, more than 10 years before. Now, average salary rate is 3 times of your salary, of your experience. If your experience is 10 years, you should get around 30 LPA. If you know the ETL automation, if you know the cloud, around 3 times of your experience you should get, average, right? If you are aware, if you are expert on AI as well, you may be getting 5 times, 6 times as well. Okay, right? So this is what, guys. So many of you, 70% QA resources are getting very less pay. So this is what we are helping here to everyone, so that they are getting easily more than 100% hike. Okay, so this is what, guys. Now let's move to next. Company need and candidate need. What company is looking for? Company is looking for a good resource who can work individually, who should be expert in the technology, right? Who can work individually in multiple things, correct? So what you can do, you can learn all those things, and you can help to company as well, because projects are not going to close, companies are not going to close, right? Obviously market is not good, and in future there will not be any resource who has only one skills, okay, or the skills those are outdated, okay, so those will not be available. If you will be definitely getting the interview call if you are up to date, whatever is in the market. If you are up to date, you will be getting the call, you will be getting the good salary increment. But if you are not with the market uh, need, you are not good, you are not aligned with the market need, you may not be getting the interview calls, and nobody knows what will happen in future. So like last year, all over MNCs, more than 1 lakh resources laid off last year till December, right? More than 60,000 only laid off by TCS only. Okay, so around 20,000 total QA resources were there, right? Similarly, now let's wait for till June. Lots of things now. AI, everyone is implementing, right? AI, everyone is moving to cloud, right? So this is what in the market. So something will be coming in few months as well. Okay, so I mean, keep updated yourself so that you will be able to survive in the market. Okay, so we are helping to the candidate, those will be market aligned. Okay, so upskill with real-time project, those will be practicing on the project side, right? We will be helping them to resolve their queries. We will be helping them to guide to market ready CV update and all. Okay, we will be helping them to prepare their self for interview or whatever technical support they require. We always provide. Benefit from the referrals and interview scheduling assistance, right? So this is what, right? So a candidate needs something like who can help them end to end to upskill with project, to resolve their queries, to update their CV, right? To help them to prepare their self for interview, right? And if any referrals or something will be coming, they can, right? This is what the candidate is looking for. We are providing these all things. Practically, we are providing with project. We are providing everything. The CV preparation, assignments. We are helping in interview preparation. Multiple interview preparation sessions are there, right? Our existing candidates usually, provide us the openings. We provide to our candidates, like you can, share your CV with them, and then you can give the interview and you will be selected. I mean, these all things we are providing, right? So company needs multi-skills resource. We are helping resources to upskill with multiple skills with the market trend. So this is what we are fulfilling the need of both. So this is what it will help end to end to everyone. Now, let's try to understand in our way, like how we started our program, in which year, what. Okay, like we started around 2004. Okay, some of you are aware. Like first we started with database testing and ETL testing in 2014. Then in 2017, we added data analytics and big data testing and ETL automation with query search. Then in 2021, we added few more like AWS cloud testing and Azure cloud testing and Python. 2023, we added again few more like the ETL automation testing with Python, and then the framework, then the Databricks, Snowflake. Last year, we added AI testing training. This is what our growth in last around 12 years. Okay, year by year. Now, let's see. Let's say you are a resource. Your experience maybe 15 year or maybe 10 year, maybe 20 year, right? So if you have to survive, what you should learn? First, let me clarify one thing. By looking the market, don't go with the management role. Those are not safe job now. Okay, those are not safe. Okay, what it means? It means go with technical skills, technical profile, maybe technical architect, maybe QA architect, maybe wherever you will involve in the technical activities. If you will be only in the leadership role, I don't know, nobody knows what will happen in future. Maybe after 2 months, maybe after 6 months, what will happen? Because there will not be any dependency at technical side. Okay, so make sure you will be working as a technical role. Okay, so if you are going with a technical role, what you should be aware? The first thing, you should be aware about the AI. Now, when AI come in picture, so what does it mean of AI? Yeah, being a QA, you are not going to build AI tool, right? Like you may be working as a manual tester, manual application tester. You may be working as an ETL tester. You may be working as an API tester. So let's take example API tester. If you are an API tester, are you building the APIs? No, you are testing whatever dev team build. Now, in case of AI tester, you will be doing the same, but in two ways. One, at whatever project you will be working, that may be AI enabled. AI may be implemented over there. So you must be aware how to test that AI functionality, whatever is built in your project. First thing. Second thing, whatever automation testing you were doing, whatever testing you were doing, automation or whatever, right? Whatever framework you have prepared, that should be AI enabled. That should be your time saving. That would be saving the resources. Means AI enabled framework. This is what it means. Your testing should be AI driven, and you should be able to test the AI enabled projects. So these two things will be for the QA. Being a QA, you are not going to build any AI tool. So remember that there is just very big difference. Okay. So first thing, you should be AI expert, how to test any product which is AI enabled, and how you are going to prepare your automation framework which is AI enabled, can generate test data automatically, can generate test cases automatically, can generate your defects or can found your defect issues without any manual intervention quickly, which may take later on maybe a week time, which you can complete with the help of AI within few seconds, right? So that's why if manual tester were getting 10 years of working experience, 15 LP, automation testers may be getting 30 LP at 10 years of working experience, AI tester may be getting 50 or 60 LP, right? So this is the next level. Okay, so AI testers package will be high always. Next, cloud will be there. Everything is moving at cloud. All cloud related projects, they will be, as of now, whatever is on prem, they are migrating at a cloud. Later on, everything, the AI and all will be implemented over there. Okay, so this is the time you can upskill with the cloud, like the AWS, the market leader. More than 60% market is captured by the AWS. Azure cloud, around 20% or 19% market is captured by Azure. So these two are the market leaders. Around 80% market is captured by these two. So if you are expert of these two cloud technologies, I mean, amazing. Rest are, there are 8, 9 other cloud technologies as well, but you can ignore. Okay, if anyhow you want to learn, so Databricks and Snowflake, that's it. And with the additionally ETL automation. So if your experience is more than 10 years, must be aware about these. And these are the easy things, guys. Very easy. Very easy things. If you will go step by step, so everything you can learn very easily. Okay. So in the market, if your experience is 10 years, you may be getting 60 LPA or more than that. If and your future 100% will be secure if you will be having the combination of AI plus cloud plus ETL automation. Amazing package, amazing opportunities, and lifetime. I mean, for next 10 years, you will be enjoying. This is what, right? This will help you end to end. So these all are the things which you can see now how AI strengthens your career profile. So that will makes you future ready, because future is for AI only. That will secure your future, increase your market value. I told you already, this is the high rate nowadays in the market. If you are expert in this, so I mean, just open your mouth and ask the package, you will be getting the same. And ultimately, you will be getting the high increase, right? Stability will be too high in this market. And as of now, there is no much competition. This is the best time to go there. Go there, upskill, get the opportunity, and survive for minimum 8 to 10 years with a high package. Okay, you will not be having any kind of fear now after getting such kind of opportunities. You see, let me clarify one more thing. Let's say there are two resources. One is kind of manual or automation query source, simple automation. Let's say simple manual and simple Selenium automation. One is AI resource, AI tester, for an example. Now, let's say all three has 10 years of working experience. Manual resource, 10 years of working experience might be 15 LP. Automation resource might be Selenium, for an example. He's getting, let's say, 25 LP. 10 years of working experience, AI tester may be getting, let's say, 50 LP. So don't think if the market will be up and down, the AI tester will get removed. Even he's at a higher package. The first, your manual resource will be removed. Second, automation tester. AI will not be. This is what the oxygen now for everyone. Everyone is looking for. Okay. So if you are going to change your profile, upskill your profile, right? So you are not going to build any AI tool. I told you already, right? You are going to test any product which is AI enabled. Okay, you are going to build a framework which is again AI enabled, which will help you to save your uh, resources, basically, right? This is what these two things will be there. So how AI works? AI is something, will be able to read the data from anywhere. There is no limitation. Okay, why? Because at a backend, Python is working. Python is a language which can, connect easily with any kind of source and target. If you at a backend will be Java. Java has so many blockers, so many, kind of limitations. But in case of AI, there is no limitation. If one task you will be doing with the help of Java in 10 lines, the same task you can complete with the help of Python in 1 line, right? That's why wherever you will be playing with the data, because AI works on the top of data. If data is there, you can implement the AI. If data is not there, what you will work with AI? Nothing. Okay, so wherever you will have to play with the data, you need to work, you need to connect with Python. Python will be able to read data from any kind of source or target easily. Okay, so that's why you can go through with any kind of AI tool like the Chat GPT, the Google Gemini. I mean, any kind of tool you can go through, right? At a backend, Python is there. Okay, so in case of source and target, that may be anything. The calculations, the comparisons, after reading the data, it will calculate, compare, and then whatever the data will be coming, it will provide that to generate the outcome. And whatever outcome you will be getting, based on that, you will be generating your test cases, your test data, and obviously your AI-based test failures prediction system you will be creating, right? This is what it is required for everyone. Okay. So basically you will be building a framework end to end that will be having all these kind of functionalities. Now, if you will see the content, like what will be the content there, like there will be around 34 sessions. One session will be around 2 hour session. So total 68 hour sessions will be there. Python is a backbone of any AI. Remember, okay? Python, if you are expert in Python, you are good in AI. If you are not expert, don't worry. We are providing from basics. First part, Python for AI, from scratch, from zero. How to install, how to configure, right? Then in part 2, there will be 5 sessions for calculating and comparing data. In whatever Python we are learning here, that is for AI purpose. Like Python is a language which you can use in web development, mobile development, everywhere you can use, right? But we are going to learn here Python, which is related to data, which is related to AI. Okay. Now, third, data analysis, and you are going to do with the help of AI. Okay. So you are going to learn that Python. So these 15 sessions will be your base. Okay. That will help you to build your all concepts. So once your concepts are clear in these first 15 sessions, one by one, step by step, you are good to go with AI fundamentals. 5 sessions will be there. Then after that, you will be going to work as an AI tester. You are going to generate your old test cases. You are going to predict your issues initially at a very initial level. You are going to generate your test data based on your scenarios, and everything will be automatic. Okay, based on your analysis, whatever input you are going to give. Then obviously end-to-end project with AI, and then you are going to implement AI with your testing framework. This is what end-to-end AI related training program. Okay, this is what we are going to cover. With ETL automation, the framework will be the ETL automation project. Okay, and end-to-end we are going to cover with it. Then the last session will be CV preparation. This is the program for the AI end-to-end, starting from scratch, how to download, how to configure and all, till the framework creation, end-to-end AI implementation, end-to-end. Okay. Then 2 sessions will be interview preparation session. This is only for AI. Okay. Now, with it, what you will be getting, then all the live all sessions will be the live sessions, daily assignments, like whatever, let's say first 5 sessions. So each and every session you will be completing some topics. So for each and every session, in each and every session related to that topic, you will be getting the assignments. You will have to complete those. You will be getting the lifetime recording access, course completion certificate you will be getting. Then you will be working on a live project, CV preparation, and interview preparation. Interview preparation. There is a 2 type of interview preparations. One is related to this AI related, right? 2 sessions. One is altogether complete thing, which I told previously, like the 22 interview preparation sessions. There will be the cloud, AWS cloud, there will be Azure cloud, there will be SQL, there will be Python, end-to-end everything. So total 22 sessions will be there, right? So once you will be getting the access of that 22 sessions, so you will be able to join in a weekdays. Okay, these sessions. So if you will see all these, like the Python basic to advanced, 10,000 is the cost. ETL automation with Python, 18,500 is a live training cost. For AI model, 20,000. Azure cost 18,500. AWS cost 18,500. Data analytics 20,000. Right. So this is what we are going to provide as a package to everyone. So the total cost is 1,06,000, right? So there will be Python end-to-end, ETL automation with framework, ETL automation with AI, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, and data analytics. This final package we are going to deliver to everyone. With this, you will be getting 22 interview preparation sessions additional, which we are providing in a weekdays. These trainings will be at a weekend. Interview preparation sessions will be in the morning at a weekdays. Okay, so this is the cost. If you will be paying this 1,06,000, this is really not, we are not asking to anyone to pay this, but we are offering like the price 25,000 plus taxes, like the 30,000 for this entire package. So at a website, you can pay 30,000, including the GST and all. Okay, so you are getting around 60% discount on that. If you are going to transfer in a bank directly using Google Pay, Phone Pay, or whatever, right? Using the bank detail directly, you can pay, you can just transfer 25K only. I mean, you will be getting there 5K different discount, additional discount there. Okay, because if you will be paying at a website, so obviously GST, payment gateway, those charges will be there. Okay, so but if you have the credit card and all, so you will have to go through the website. There are the credit card, EMI option, and all, everything is available over there. So this is what, guys, we are providing to everyone. Okay, you can go through with it. Let me just share my screen again, the website. 1 second, hold on. Let me stop my screen and let me open the website. Okay, so this is the website, guys. Future Tech Skills. Okay, you can go there and at the website, you can just go through with all these things, like whatever we are providing and all, who all are the trainers. Okay, the certificate you will be getting, their reviews for from the previous candidates, whatever review you will be getting here as well. Initially we were taking the reviews here, but now from last few batches we started to take the review at the LinkedIn directly. Okay, because that is more trustworthy over there. Let's say, so this is our LinkedIn group. Okay, you can go there. Around 6,663 resources are there. This was the batch which we closed there. Okay, so you can just go through their reviews, whatever reviews they have provided, everyone. Okay, like this is what I was showing during the first or second slide. Okay, she was not joining, she is from UK, right? She was just referring the recordings, video recordings, everything she was completing through the recordings. She get the opportunity first from the batch. Okay, so every candidate has provided their review. Everyone is working in a MNCs like Oracle, Capgemini, and all. Okay, those all are the working professional. So around except one candidate, all provided their reviews. Okay, so you can go through with their reviews and you will be getting the confidence like how we are providing and delivering things, because we know we are, see, ultimately, let me tell you one thing. We are from this domain. We are from this QA domain. We know like where our QA community stands. What's the pain? So we know how to resolve that directly, right? That's why we are providing these kind of things. Okay, if we will be just a businessman, we don't know you, we will not care about your whatever pain you do have, right? That's why this is the main reason we have that interview preparation sessions, everything, just because of we want you should get select, right? This is the main reason. We want you all should get select here, right? And this is the main reason you all will be getting salary hike 100%, more than 100%, right? satisfaction ratio, this is what, right? 100% is because we are delivering practically everything during the live sessions. We are helping to prepare the CVs. We are helping to prepare the interview preparation sessions. This is what everyone is looking for. That's why 100% satisfaction ratio is there. And even though you will see some of them, right? Let me show you. There are a few candidates. I'm not sure. Few candidates came from the other side, right? Let me find 1 second. She's also get more than 100% hike. More than 10 years of working experience. See, this one, Dinesh, he joined somewhere else. Okay, he just wasted his money. This is what, right? He was unable to create the framework and all. Later on, after joining here, he was able to create the framework end to end in ETL automation, and he enjoyed. I mean, by heart, he has written his true words. This is what everyone has written. More than 17 years of working experience in ETL. This guy, read. I mean, if you will go through with this, I have posted her. She was selected. I think few weeks before. But before selection, this review is before selection, right? So many of these selected later on as well. Okay, so I mean, this is the reason maximum are satisfied by the training because everyone, whatever everyone is looking for, we are providing the same, right? So that's all, guys. I'm done. If you guys will have any doubt, any kind of query, I can take care your queries. What you guys can do, you just take the screenshot of this screen. Let me give you that screen. Okay, so here, my bad. Not this one, this one. Okay, so you guys can take the screenshot of this screen. So whatever you will feel like you, if you want to avail the opportunity of 5,000 rupees, so you can just transfer here using the Google Pay, Phone Pay, or your other app. There are so many apps. So using those apps, you can directly transfer in the bank, right? You can take the screenshot and share the details with me. I will add you to the group, and then we are good to start with it. Okay. One more thing, let me tell you, like the recordings. Once you will be, taking these all things, you will be getting the lifetime recording access. Second thing is, if you guys are looking just for the recording, not the live sessions, so recordings will be in 25,000 only, not less than that. Okay, if you want to join only the live sessions, so 25,000 only. Okay, so recordings only in 25,000 for all these programs like the Python, ETL automation with framework, AI, Azure, AWS, data analytics. The recordings will be 25,000. Live sessions will be 25,000. If you are going to join live sessions, so recordings will be free for you, right? This is what I mean. So don't get confused. Like after the webinars, usually I get the calls like, can I avail the recordings only? So recordings will be at a same cost. There are 6 technologies. If you will be dividing 25 by 6, you will be getting hardly 4,000 one technology, right? So we will not be selling less than that cost. So if anyone will have any doubt, then please guys put your query. I'm good to take your queries, whatever you guys have. Okay. So let me take, who is this webinar? Let me open the Q&A. Who is this anonymous attendees? When the session get start, which session? Session we are going to start from tomorrow. Okay, the first session will be coming weekend. The session will be, I mean, tomorrow will be at 10:30, but going forward from the next weekend, at the session will be 8 to 10 a.m. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, that will be the timing. Next is Gopinath. Do you refer for the job opportunity? Yes, we'll refer, right? I have shared the, I have shown you the LinkedIn group, right? Our resources, existing candidates, existing those have learned, those are working in different companies, they usually share the openings in the group, or directly there are many HRs from the MNCs, they usually share the openings in the group. So we usually refer, right? Don't you provide Selenium automation courses? Selenium automation is something, website is nothing, man. The market is for the data domain. Okay. So go ahead with the data domain. Okay. So that will be more helpful. That's the market demanding thing. Okay. Next, anonymous, how many months it will take, sir? Okay. That will take around 5 months. AI, AWS, Azure, data analytics. Okay. That will take end-to-end 4 months. How many months it will do? Okay, that's it. How many SQL you will be using generate expect? Okay, as when you are doing the manual things, manual ETL, manual data comparison, SQL is mandatory. A good SQL. But when you will be working in the automation side, everything is handled by the Python. Okay, very low level of SQL query will be required. But I will be taking 3 sessions, first 3 sessions on the SQL, so that you will be aware whatever we need in first 3 sessions, I will be covering those. Okay, Ravi, I have 19 years of working experience in manual testing. Can I suitable for? Yeah, definitely. In our courses, everyone is for the high experience resources, so those are good, right? Maybe I don't have experience in coding, but yeah, that's fine. This is if you are zero in coding, don't worry. You will be getting end-to-end everything from our side. Okay. Only you will have to follow us, whatever we will be doing, one by one, step by step. Or let me take you. You are raising your hand, so you can unmute yourself, Ravi, and speak if you want. Ravi, you are able to speak. You can unmute yourself and speak. Ravi B. You raised your hand, so I allowed you. I think you are unable to unmute, but that's fine. Okay, fine. Raju, need only ETL automation. May I join? Yeah, if you need only ETL automation, you can join. That's fine. Okay. Fine. This is Vinmant Kumar. Hello, Yogesh. So it would be Sat and Sunday weekends. Yes, that's right. At a weekends, 2 hours Saturday, 2 hours Sunday. Okay. Interview preparation sessions only in weekdays. Otherwise, all technical trainings will be at a weekend only. Okay. Gopina, I have 2 years of working experience in QA automation, playwright, and manual testing. Will it help me? Yeah, definitely. This is the market demanding, right? You can secure your future if you are going to do this. Krishna Chaitanya, Krishna, are you the one? Let me unmute Krishna. I think we have already someone Krishna in our existing batch. Krishna. Hey, hi Krishna. Are you the one?
Yes. No. I'm Krishna Chaitanya, Yogesh. I spoke to you on WhatsApp,
You are
right?
existing. You are an existing student, right? If I'm not
No, no,
wrong.
no, no, no. I'm new resource.
Actually, you are new. Okay, might be different. Okay, might be
Yes.
username.
I'm
Okay,
Krishna Chaitanya.
okay, fine. No problem. Okay, so you can go ahead with that, right?
Yeah,
That's
just
okay.
generally my question is like the project we were learning, right, of AI automation ETL. So
Mhm.
any sample projects we will use, Yogesh? Just I want to understand with the.
Yes, everything. So, Chaitanya, just one thing. Whatever you will be learning, everything will be with project. Nothing will be theoretical. Nothing will be only concept.
Mhm. Okay. Some
Okay.
online general projects that you will help us, right?
No, no,
Some
no. We
technical.
have prepared our own. We will be using
Oh,
those.
okay. That's
Okay.
great. Yeah.
Huh.
Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you so much.
And we will be providing those all things to all of you. Okay.
Mhm.
So that
I
you
just we
can
will.
configure. We will be first configuring in the live sessions. The same things, same project, same you have to configure at your system at home after the session, right? And then you will have to practice on at the same.
Yeah, like some of our friends ask, like I'm also like I mean not much. I mean coding level. I have used automation also.
That's
I'm
fine.
like,
That's you see. In case of automation, let's aside the AI first side. Okay, one by one, we will be picking piece by piece. We will be implementing the framework. Then we will be building piece by piece, step by step AI in that. Okay. In one go, we will not go. Otherwise, you guys will get confused. So we know how to teach because we are providing this since so long. So we know how you can get things easily in a very easy manner. So don't worry
So
about it.
basically, the basics, as you know, you are telling directly like some basics. You will help us like the
We
scripting
will start from
basics
the
and all.
basic scratch from zero.
Yeah. Thank you, Yogesh. It will be helpful actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh.
So the fee
Okay.
will be around
So
25 something.
we are assuming even though if your experience is 20 years, let's say for an example, we are assuming you are a fresher for us.
Yes.
Okay. So how
Yeah.
to boost you? This is our responsibility. We will boost you at a level where you will be building it.
Got it, Yogesh. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is what, guys. Okay. Now we have another one. When I can get the certificate of this. So obviously when you will be completing this program, okay, so you will be getting the course completion certificate. Fine. Prakash, will you help me to build the framework? Obviously that's the key concept of building the framework, right? So we are helping. Let me show you something. 1 second. 1 second. Like batch number 193. See, we have completed 6 sessions on framework. Today, end to end, we delivered. We asked everyone to build it. Now, we deliver everything to everyone. So they have to build. Now, tomorrow, we will be reviewing it. So they are going to build it now. This is the 7th session, right? So everyone has to do this. So in the same way, like first 15 session, one by one, we completed everything. Now, after 15th session, we start to build the framework. 6th session, I build from myself. Now I ask to everyone, build it from your side. So they will be building, they will be doing, right? So this is what, right? I mean, in reality, in practically, this is how we are doing. Okay. So hope this is clear. So I think Prakash asked it. Okay. So I mean, everything is real. Okay, that's why they are putting their reviews, the real reviews, at a LinkedIn itself. Everyone, that's why 100% is a satisfaction ratio. This is the reason only, right? Because they are getting whatever they are expecting. Okay. Okay, let me see. Oh, sorry, I closed that chat window. Let me open that. Okay. Next is this Krishna Chaitanya again. Some sample projects or automation. I think I cleared it. Okay. Santoshini. Can we have session at 10:30 on weekend? It will be helpful. 10:30 at a weekend. This is not really possible. Okay. The first session tomorrow will be at a weekend at 10:30. That is for sure. But then batch number 193 is going to close. That is, 8 to 10. Okay, the few sessions are remaining. Tomorrow in the morning, we will have the first session. I will review their framework. There will be some doubt, something we will have again in the evening, 5 to 7. Again, we will have the review. Whatever doubts they will have, we will clarify. I mean, from the coming weekends, next weekend, the timing will be 8 to 10 only. Santoshini, so I'm sorry for that. That's the fixed timing. Okay. Okay, Anil Patil. From this course, we'll get knowledge of both Python automation. Yes, everything, these three, right? Python, and then the Python automation, then the AI Python automation. Yes, Anil, you will be getting it. Chetna, I will be joining the live sessions from tomorrow. I had a question. will we have access of previous sessions recordings? Why previous sessions recordings, Chetana? You will be getting the recordings of your live batch, your current batch, right? Why the previous batches recordings you want, right? We will not be sharing the previous batch recordings. We will be sharing the recording of your current session. Let's say, for an example, tomorrow you are going to join, right? But at the next weekend, you are unable to join due to some urgency at home. So you can refer those recordings. So you will be getting recordings for your batch only. Okay. Sumnath, will you be instructor or someone else? I will be taking care your Python, ETL automation, AI stuff. So these three things I will be taking care. For the data analytics, Garima will be taking care. Okay. And for the AWS cloud, Azure cloud, Sharon will be taking care. I mean, these details are already available at a portal. Okay. So these are associated with me from last around 10 years. I'm providing from last 12 years. So as a group, we are providing from together from last 10 years, but as an individual capacity, I'm providing from last 12 years. So this is what I hope you get your answer. Reshma, if I just want to take AI training, AI training, you can take it, right? So the cost, if you will refer the website, the cost is 35,000 plus GST, but at a discount, you will get it at 25. I mean, 25 is the bottom line. Okay. Additionally, we are providing their AWS cloud, Azure cloud, data analytics, these three things. Additionally, we are providing. Why we are providing? Guys, we are creating a complete package. Because if you will be joining tomorrow XYZ company, maybe Google, maybe Capgemini, so they will be using any cloud platform, maybe AWS, maybe Azure. We want, like, if you want to join only AI, that's okay. For us, last time taking thing, right? We may not have the instructor, the AWS cloud, Azure cloud instructor, or the data analytics. Why I'm adding those additionally? I have to pay the cost to them, right? They are charging more than 3,500 per hour basis, right? I'm paying to them. Why I will pay extra? Because see, if you will be learning just one thing, you are half. I want you should become a complete package. Wherever you will be going, there will be minimum 99% chance either AWS cloud will be there or Azure cloud will be there. You will be familiar. You will be easily, you can, easily you can start to work over there, right? You will be more familiar. If you will not learn all this, so you will not be familiar, right? That's why the cost 25,000 is a last cost. With less than this, we cannot go. Okay. If someone wants the recording for this complete package, this is the last cost 25,000. I mean, 25,000 is the last one. Below that, that will not work for us. Okay. So Amit, I want to enroll. How I can enroll for the okay? Amit, this is what I told, right? So either you can go through with the website. At a website, there will be the cost. I already removed, like, the cost for this AI is 35,000 plus GST, so around 42,000. I applied the uh, coupon code over there, so 30,000 you will have to pay. If you want to save your 5,000, right, you can pay 25,000 using these bank details. You can transfer using Google Pay in this account, using Phone Pay, using Paytm, or however you want. That's hardly few seconds task. So you can take this screenshot, right? This is what Raju. How many hours will it take in ETL automation testing and AI? When it will start? Tomorrow we are going to start, Raju. Okay. And like ETL automation without AI is 42 hours. Okay. Even though 2 hours at the, let me, 1 second. Let me walk you through with the website. You can go through with it. So you will have the better understanding. So here you go. These all are the trainings. This is ETL automation with Python. You can open with it. So if you will see ETL automation with Python with framework, okay. So around 40 hours session. Okay. If you will implement the AI, Okay, if you will implement the AI, 20 hours will get added over there. 20 hours, 10 additional sessions. Then that will become this one, AI. Okay, AI with ETL automation. So around 68 hours training this one. 34 sessions, one session equivalent to 2 hours. So total 68 hours training will be there, right? Okay, hope you got your answer which you were asking. Okay, let me take the next question. Reshma, so means 25K I can attend AI training also. Additionally, will I get AWS? Yes. So this is what, right? Reshma, let me, like here, in 25,000, you will be getting ETL automation, ETL automation with AI, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, and data analytics. These all in 25,000 as a package you will be getting. Okay. Anil, can I pay 25K in two installment, like 15K, 10K? Yeah, see, Anil, I mean, I don't have really issue to pay like this. But the thing is, I don't have the bigger team to just track, to check, to ask, right? So if you have any doubt related to the payment and all, so usually no one asks us to refund. Everyone is 100% satisfied. Okay. If you have any payment related issue, like you are unable to pay in one go, so that's fine. I can allow you, but don't go like this, because we don't want to just go back like how many emails are pending and all, right? We want to focus on the training side. Okay. So, I mean, go like this, so that will be helpful for both of us. So, next, will you be helping in intro? Yeah. Okay. Who is this? Renu. Renu, interpretation sessions, yes. I told you, right? Interpretation sessions will be there, and I am helping end to end. 22 interpretation sessions you will be getting at a weekdays. Okay. So this is what, guys, I think I covered everything. You guys have my direct contact number as well. I have session, one AI session at 7 p.m. Okay, after 45 minutes. So if you have doubt, you can ping me anytime. Okay. You once you will enroll, share your screenshot with your full name, email ID, and contact number, so that we can provide you for access at portal. I think we are done. Uh, that's all, guys. I think that's all. Thank you. Thanks for joining. This is really a nice session. Thank you.